Why true bush want to tell the girl them up browning? All of the girl them a run go shop go bleach, cause them want brown skin. All the girl them, and them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like a browning. 90% of the girl them join the system. Every girl nowadays them want brown skin. So push up and can tell them about the browning. Every can say them want the color and the pumpkin. So them run gonna shop a figure buy brown skin, and them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach, and them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning. It's a farm black girl because you run the place, and look how you nice with your beautiful face. Not true you not brown, that is no disgrace. Can tell them black girl now why you win the race, and them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning. Now me know this little girl from St. Catherine. A long time me no see her cause she was schooling. One time she did it all and she have black skin. Now she get fat and she have brown skin. Me say when a little bit you did the offering. She said no, that's not the chemical me using. I me really use and turn brown into she a bleach. And a bleach out her skin, she a bleach. She look like a browning, she a bleach. And a bleach out her skin, she a bleach. She look like a browning, girl me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, she look like no browning, and me honor you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, she look like no browning. Me say black it and the color of the African skin. Say tell me how some girl want brown skin. Every day them get up and them join the bleaching. Not to them really want the color of the pumpkin, and them a bleach. Using a the roller, you know them a bleach. Use the ambi, and you know them a bleach. Take the facial and you know them a bleach. When we take it out, yes, you know them a bleach. Them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, but me honor you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning. Girl, me honor you, and you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning. They say jump around, you no bleach out your skin, and pull up your hand and you no bleach out your skin. And the jungle girl, you no bleach out them skin, and Tivoli girl, you no bleach out them skin, and Rima girl, you no bleach out them skin, and Dunker girl, you no bleach out them skin. Me say pull up your hand and wine and ting, and make them know you have your natural skin. Cause some a bleach, and a bleach out them skin, and a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach, and a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach. New York girl, them you know them not bleach. English girl, them you know them not bleach. Canada girl, them you know them not bleach. Jamaica girl, them you know them not bleach. Any man see them, you know them have to reach. That's why you go tell them, I say me honor you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning. Girl me honor you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You no use no chemical, they look like no browning. 90% of the girl, them join the system. Every girl nowadays, them want brown skin. So push up and talk about the browning. Them a run go a shop, they buy brown skin. The for them say them want the color of the pumpkin, but them a use the chemical and them a spoil up them skin, and them a bleach. And a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, but me honor you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You know you no chemical.